Today I am going to show you how to make a vegan, gluten-free, no refined sugar chocolate cake with vanilla almond frosting. First, we gather our ingredients. We will need sorghum flour, tapioca flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, xanthan gum, sea salt, boiling water, prunes, virgin coconut oil, agave nectar, apple cider vinegar, and vanilla. Gather up some baking equipment. You will need bowls, measuring cups, measuring spoons, an electric mixer when we get to the frosting, and 2 round cake pans. Begin to boil your water on the stove. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of sorghum flour and 1/2 cup of tapioca flour. Next, add 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of xanthan gum, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix together with a wire whisk. Next, measure out 1 cup of prunes, and then pour 1½ cups of your boiling water over the prunes and let stand for about 10 minutes. For the wet ingredients, we will need to add 1 cup of agave nectar to the blender along with the soaked prunes and water. Then grab 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and whirl that in your blender until the mixture appears very smooth. Then add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well. Make sure your cake pans are ready to go. I like to use a little extra palm shortening to grease them with. Divide your batter into 2 cake pans evenly, and place pans next to one another in your 350-degree oven. Remove from oven after 25 minutes and let cool for a few moments before gently inverting your cakes onto a wire cooling rack. Next, we whip up the frosting. For that, we will need organic palm shortening, arrowroot powder, agave nectar, vanilla, and almond flavoring. Grab your palm shortening and measure out 2 cups by filling a large measuring cup to the 2-cup mark with water and then adding shortening until the water is displaced to reach the 4-cup mark. Make sure all your shortening is submerged when you measure. Along with your measured shortening, add 1 cup arrowroot powder to your mixing bowl. Add 1 cup agave nectar, 4 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons almond flavoring or almond extract. Then beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. To frost your cake, spread bottom cake layer with frosting and place second layer on top. Finish frosting the top and sides of your cake. Add some sprinkles if you'd like, and enjoy as much as she did.